Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I just like to show you how to fix Bluetooth device is not working in Windows 10. So let's begin our video. How can we fix it, or how can we solve this problem? So here you can see this is my Windows 10 laptop, and I just want to fix Bluetooth not working problem. So for that you just need to go on here, start button, and just right click on your mouse, and then you can see there have an option for device manager. Select on it, and now here you can see there have a lot of option, and you just need to find out network adapters. Select on it, and now you can see there have an option Bluetooth device personal area network. You just need to select on it and right click on your mouse, and then there have an option for update driver. So you just need to update this driver at first, and then you need to check it. If Bluetooth is not working, then you just need to restart your PC or laptop, and then you just need to check again. After that, I hope your Bluetooth is working. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.